are you looking for?
D.
You looking for D?
Gone. Gone.
He's not gone. Daddy, show him where D is. He's not at work.
Where's he at? Look in this one right here.
Mama.
Where's Mimi?
Who's that?
Mimi.
Where's
Who's that?
D?
Who's that?
Mickey.
Who's that?
D. Mama.
Where's Mama?
I.
Yep.
Dada.
Yep.
Where's Nana?
Nada.
And Granddad?